Hi y'all, I'm Jeff, and I am a patent attorney. Thanks for joining me today. Filing your own patent looks like a great way to save money. The government filing fees aren't huge, the forms are right there on the USPTO website, and plenty of people will tell you they did it themselves. So why hire anyone? Let's walk through the cost of filing it alone. The ones that don't show up until later. Here's the thing most people don't realize. A patent isn't really the description or the drawings. It's the claims, the precise legal language at the end that defines exactly what you own. Write them too narrowly and competitors design around you easily. Write them too broadly, they get rejected or invalidated. Drafting claims well is genuinely the hardest part, and it's where most do-it-yourself applications fall apart. 2. And this is the expensive one. You generally cannot add new material to an application after you file. So if you leave something out or describe it poorly, you can't simply patch it. Your filing date locks in what you disclosed. A weak application doesn't just underperform, it can permanently limit what you're ever able to protect. 3. Almost every application gets rejected at first. That's normal. It's called an office action, and responding to one means making legal arguments and amending claims without giving away protection you're entitled to. Inventors handling this alone often concede far more than they needed to and walk away with much narrower patent than they could have had. A patent doesn't protect you, and that leads to the real hidden cost. The worst outcome isn't getting rejected, it's getting a patent that looks valid but doesn't actually stop anyone. You've spent the time and the money. You have a certificate on the wall, and it doesn't hold up when you need it. That's far more expensive than doing it right the first time. Filing yourself can make sense for a simple idea or a placeholder, but if the invention matters to your business, it's worth at least a conversation before you file. Thanks for joining me. Until next time. You can get more information on patents and intellectual property generally at ideashield.info. I am an attorney, but I'm not your attorney yet. This video is general information, not legal advice, and does not create an attorney-client relationship.